A clean head spa brush is essential to maintain scalp hygiene and prevent product buildup during treatments. Rinse the brush immediately after each use to remove oil, shampoo, and hair residue from bristles. Soak the brush weekly in warm water mixed with mild disinfectant or antibacterial soap for deep cleaning. Use a small cleaning brush to gently remove trapped hair and debris between bristles without damaging them. Rinse thoroughly and allow the brush to air dry completely before storing to prevent mold growth. Store brushes in a clean, dry container away from moisture and dust to maintain sanitation standards. Replace worn or damaged brushes regularly to ensure effective and hygienic scalp massage treatments. Consistent cleaning improves client safety, extends equipment life, and maintains professional spa service quality.